Hey guys, I'm Jody Fitz. Welcome back to the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. We're getting ready for a whole lot of summer fun. I have Emmy in the kitchen.
Hi.
And Emmy is helping me make a breakfast pizza. Here's how we're making it. We took water, honey, and cinnamon and stirred them together well. Then we basted the top of whole wheat pitas to create our pizza crust. We placed them on a coated baking sheet and popped them into a preheated oven of 375 degrees for about 12 minutes. Once they were done, we carefully removed them and let them cool completely. While they were cooling, we removed the pits of washed fresh cherries and cut them in half. We hulled strawberries and carefully sliced them. We simply put clean blueberries into a bowl. We cut our washed grapes in half. We removed the skin of a fresh pineapple and cut the fruit into thin slices and then cut the slices into bite-sized pieces. After peeling a kiwi, we sliced the fruit and then diced it into smaller pieces. Once all of our fresh fruit was prepared, we stirred together cream cheese and honey, and then we spread it onto the cooled pita crusts. We made sure to add each of the fruits on top, creating a delicious and colorful pattern. All right, guys, making fruit pizza is just that easy. It's super delicious. Emmy's putting finishing touches on our last pizza with some grape slices. Stay tuned at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club, where we have more great recipes coming your way soon.
Have a good summer.